All right, guys, we're back at Rancho today. Somebody just messaged me on Facebook, said their buddy flipped a side-by-side back here. And being a weekday, there's nobody out here usually. So we got to go all the way back to Washout, and we got to go find this guy. Well, I didn't get it on video, but I just came up on a truck and a trailer loading up a side-by-side, and I was like, damn, that somebody got it. I didn't know anybody else was coming. And I was just like, are you the guy that I was talking to? And he's like, no. They ripped a control arm off of their side-by-side, and they're loading it up here right off of main grade too. So, but we're about 5 minutes away. It takes a while. When you enter the front of the gate at Rancho, if you want to drive all the way to the back, it's at least half an hour, especially when there's a ton of deep puddles like this. But we're covering some ground, going a little bit faster than I usually would. Hopefully nobody's hurt down there. All right, well, there it is. It's still on its side. That's unfortunate. That's been here for a while. It's been at least an hour, you know, by the time I got the message and got out here with traffic. Dude, hey, he's already got the rhino rope hooked up though. Like, dang, bummer, man. All right, we're gonna get this flipped over. I'm not gonna take any more time than needed. There it is. Bummer. We might need Nick out here to pick that thing up and drag it out. Well, no, it should steer right. Yeah, it'll still, you still should have your steering. That's actually not that bad, brother. That's just a shock. You know, you can pick up a shock anywhere. If you see how we had that connected, just use my little axle strap in the middle of the bridle on my clip. And then to each end, I like running a bridle to these when you're flipping back over. That way it's pulling both sides and it doesn't try and spin it around or anything. All right, so now I'm gonna grab my 10-foot kinetic rope. When you're going through all these trees and stuff out here, you want a shorter rope as possible. So a little 10-foot rope works perfect for that. Well, that's a bummer. My rear GoPro decided it doesn't want to work anymore. So that would have been some decent shots. Usually it's mounted right there, but maybe next time I'll move it over to here. That way it's not in the kill zone. We got it hooked up. Let's get it back out. I'm gonna have to drag this thing all the way back to what we just came through. Well, we got him on the hook. It's probably gonna take a good half an hour to get out of here. Well, probably longer. We're going super slow right now. And I'm never gonna go rushing with these guys. So like what am I doing? Let's see, 6 miles an hour. So pretty slow going. And like always, I sit here and monitor all my temps on the Stinger infotainment. And we're running pretty cool. Only 201 coolant temp, not too bad. 4 low for the win. And we can't forget about all the bullet point mounting solutions, mounts. We got these things everywhere. This is actually a bullet point mount switch panel. We got the phone. I got another phone for over there, the radios, the GoPro mount, even another mount up here. Fully loaded. bulletpointmountingsolutions.com. All right, made it back to camp. Or try and back up to it as much as you can. I should have recorded it, but we ended up just using the Jeep with the kinetic to pull it right up on there. Oh, there we go. I was able to just drive right beside the truck and pull it right up on the trailer. Made it easy without having to winch. If you guys made it this far, we definitely appreciate you watching. Don't forget, once a month we give away a power box. It's got a kinetic rope, soft shackles, hard shackles, all types of off-road recovery gear. If you want to be entered to win the power box, just drop a comment. Make sure you got to be a subscriber, and we just pick a random comment at the end of the month. So, and you do have to be a U.S. resident. I forget to say that sometimes, but we're not set up for shipping outside of the country right now. But yeah, fun times. I appreciate it, and we will see you next Tuesday or Wednesday.